Nyamira Nyaribo nigo litkolia rero abagakubita inse ese yogwanchirana lichiko omochio Keroka koba municipality okwana chinga kicho morobire iyo nigo ayenikibna nigo omochio Keroka orabe kogokina anamono aso bonchirire borabe bogokorekana boikiranu iyo ereirere county ya Nyamira gosangiriria ebango eisaine.
It is with this great pleasure and honor that I have signed a historic charter for elevation of Keroka to a municipality, then forwarded to the county assembly. Their recommendations were based on Keroka's centrality to neighboring urban areas, its robust connectivity and transportation infrastructure, a population of 107,922,000 that exceeds the 50,000 threshold under the Act. Immediately engaged with the Ministry of Lands, Public Works, Housing and Urban Development through Kisii program to assess projects for the Keroka municipality. A team from the ministry will be in Keroka